Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your health with Humana, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the Humana website at www.humana.com. Once on the home page, look for the sign in button located at the top right corner. Click on the sign in button to enter your credentials. If you are a new user, select the option to create an account. Follow the prompts to complete the registration process. After signing in, navigate to your member dashboard. Here, you will find various health resources and tools available to you. Explore the health and wellness section for personalized tips and programs. Look for the Find a Doctor tool to locate healthcare providers in your area. You can also access prescription drug information under the pharmacy section. Utilize the rewards program to earn points for health-related activities. Check your plan details for coverage options and benefits. Participate in virtual wellness classes to stay active at home. Review your health assessments to monitor your overall well-being. Consider scheduling a telehealth appointment for convenient medical assistance. Make use of the Humana app for easy access to your health information on the go. Stay informed by reading articles and resources available in the blog section. Regularly update your health records to keep track of your progress. By utilizing these resources, you can take proactive steps to protect your health. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.